Today we're making homemade onion soup mix. Now this may not be for everyone. It can be just so much easier to go to the store, pick up a packet of onion soup mix and go on with your day. However, growing up, my mom always made it at home, and if you have a larger roast, maybe you're going to want more onion soup mix. You don't know how many packets you're gonna need, and maybe it's cheaper per ounce. But making something at home, sometimes you have the ingredients or you just prefer to make things from scratch. Let's get into it. 6 ingredients, let's go. So we're going to want a large mixing bowl. We're going to need 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon. Make sure it's dry powder, not cubes, not concentrate. 1 cup of dry minced onion. 1/4 cup of dry parsley. 1/4 cup of dry gravy mix. 1/4 cup of onion powder, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now, this recipe I'm using also calls for 2 tablespoons of onion salt. I don't know if I've ever seen onion salt, but if you want to add it, go ahead. I've always had this mix without the onion salt, and it's still delicious. Let's go ahead and mix that all together. And then once you have all of your ingredients mixed together, you can put it in an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. Over time, this may cake up a little bit. Just take a fork to it and scrape it out, but super easy. Now you have a big stock of onion soup mix. Again, this is not for everyone. However, you could give it as a little gift for like a birthday or a holiday, or you just make a really big beef roast or a venison roast, or make a lot of shepherd's pie or hamburger pie. And it's so delicious, so flavorful. So if you'd consider giving this recipe a try, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you make your own onion soup mix differently than I do, let me know down in the comments how you make it. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you guys are looking for a new savory dinner recipe, go ahead, click right here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.